To copy a listing, select the Copy feature on the listing you'd like to copy, and you will start a duplicate of that listing. At this time, you can select to copy across property types, copy between residential sale, residential lease, and farm properties. Once you select the property type, throughout the listing screen here, it gives you the option to remove anything from the previous listing. With the little orange X marks, you can deselect items that are no longer available in the new copied listing. You can always add something back to the listing if you need to once you get into the full listing management section. Once you've confirmed that all the information is correct for your copied listing, click Continue in the top right corner. After you click Continue, it will check out that listing, lock it, so that you can add any of the additional details to your new listing.